Welcome to my channel. Today I am making beef jollof rice. I have all my ingredients here. 2 cups of basmati rice. I have my beef meat here and chopped tomatoes. I've blended it all, and I've got my chopped onion and red pepper, the sweet ones. And I've got my garlic and ginger paste and chili and everyday purpose salts and the rest of the spice. Right, let's get started. Okay, just added the onions. I'm just waiting for the onion to turn brown a bit, and then I'll start it off. Okay, the onions have turned brown, so I'm just now going to be putting these herbs in there. Okay, right, just put those in here, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of the ginger, not all of it. Okay, now I've let that cook in for a bit, so I'm going to be adding my let's try and do this with one hand. Just adding the tomatoes puree, just a small amount first, because I'll be adding the other half after it's all nicely done. Okay, then after the tomatoes puree goes in, I will be adding my seasoning, which is I'll be putting the Maggi cube, and the rest of this spice. It's a bit of a challenge, so I'm just going to put all of them in there because it's quite hard getting it out and holding the camera at the same time. Right, now tomatoes puree is in there. I'm just going to be adding just a small amount of the pepper, because the rest of them I would like it to be in with the rice, which will stay nice and crunchy with the rice. And after that, I'm just going to be adding the tomatoes. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so now I have finished the tomato sauce, so I'm just moving on to the beef meat. So I'm now just going to be adding a little amount of onions here. Okay, my onions are turning brown. I mean, sometimes some people choose to boil it first, but obviously I choose to fry the meat first. Sorry, that's my work over there. Okay, the meat is turning just slightly brown, so I don't want it to cook too much. just put my one Maggi cube and garlic and ginger paste and the rest of the seasoning. I mean, as I said, you can boil it and just deep fry it and add with, but obviously I'm frying it straight away because there's no bones in it, it's just the meat. So, but if I did have bones in it, then I will boil it and then fry. Because this one is just for a quick meal, as it's Father's Day. My husband chose for me to make a small amount for him today. So now just going to leave it for the seasoning to get to it, and I'll be adding this into the tomato sauce. Okay, I still have the red peppers, some of them here. Just going to add a small amount of it, just to give it that really nice, fresh, smell. Give it a little bit more taste to it too. You want the meat also tasting nice just as much, so when you put it in, it tastes beautiful. So I'm just going to leave it for a bit for the meat to cook, just a small amount, and then I'll put it back in my tomato sauce, which is cooking perfectly fine here. Okay, I'm just going to move this into a plate just for my sauce to go down a bit because it's still cooking. I need it to just cook for just a few minutes, then I'll put it back in there. Okay, my tomato sauce has gone down a bit, so now I'm just going to be adding the beef into tomatoes. There we go. Right, I'll spread the rest of them in there in a few minutes. So that is the beef in there. So, that's popping a lot. We're just gonna add the rest of the red pepper. Sorry, mind my mess. And I'll be using the rest of the tin tomato. Well, I'll be using the rest of the tomato puree in here, which I'll be needing the other spare hand. So just a few minutes. Okay, my meat is in there now, so it's cooked for a bit. So I'm now going to be adding the basmati rice, which is 2 cups. I'm going to wash it now, and once washed it, then I'll add that with. Okay, so now I'm just going to have a little taste on and see if everything is perfect. Okay. Okay, now I'm just adding the rice in here. Try and turn my temperature a little bit high because I turned it really low. It was popping everywhere. Oh, it is painful doing this with one hand. Right. So I'm just going to put like a quarter of water, but not cold water, hot, just really hot water. Because if you put cold water, then it'll make the food a bit sort of hot and cold, and it takes rice takes it longer for all of it to cook equally. So I'm just going to use a small amount of hot water. Okay, I've got like nearly half water. Just add that with. Okay, so now that is just taste it for salt reasons. That's perfect. Just need a little bit of salt on it. Just got a few salt. So now I'm just gonna seal the saucepan and let the rice cook. I will check it for a few times so it doesn't burn. But like you do not like any more water, just like the heat to cook the rice, and Right, let's wait and see how it will turn out. Right, thank you. Okay, just come to check it to see how it's going, and it's looking good. Right, it's nearly done. You can see, look at that, it looks excellent. Got the chunk of the meats in there, so I'm just gonna wait for a bit. It's nearly done, but not yet. Just gonna leave it because obviously I'm making some kebab to go with it, so I'm just gonna get everything ready. Okay, all done. Just going to serve it to the plate now. Okay, thank you guys. Just going to get it on the plate to my beautiful handsome husband. Father's Day. Okay guys, it's all done, just perfectly done. Look at that, that is just perfect. Then these are the kebab I made to go with for my husband for happy Father's Day, and that tastes that is beautiful. Thank you so much guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See ya.